In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful eye zoom with Grok Imagine. We're creating that dramatic, cinematic look where the camera seems to push right into the iris. You're not actually animating a physical zoom. You're crafting an image and short clip that convincingly feels like an extreme macro, with texture, light, and focus doing the heavy lifting. Start by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. Once you're in, look to the left side of the interface and click on Imagine. That's where we'll build the prompt that shapes the entire look. In the Type to Imagine box, paste or type a clear descriptive prompt that calls out the visual style you want. For this effect, use language like extreme close-up of a human eye, highly detailed iris texture, glowing reflections, cinematic macro shot, shallow depth of field, soft dramatic lighting, ultra-realistic, 8K, sharp focus on iris, blurred eyelashes foreground, emotional and intense mood. Detailed phrases help the model prioritize texture, lighting, and focus. Avoid generic prompts like generate a cyberpunk city image. Broad requests can pull the model away from the intimate macro style we need. You'll see options to view image or video. Click on image if you want to preview a still result and confirm the overall vibe. Things like iris detail, catch lights, and focus fall off. Then click on video for now so we can turn that look into a short moving shot that sells the zoom feeling. Next, choose your resolution. Higher resolutions emphasize the tiny fibers and reflections in the iris, which is perfect for macro realism, but they take longer to render and result in larger files. If you're optimizing for social, balance crispness with practicality based on where you plan to share. Choose the duration. Short clips feel punchy and loop well. Longer clips can build tension and emotional weight. Think about how quickly you want that whoa moment to land. For a subtle push in, a few seconds can be enough. For something more lingering, go a bit longer. Pick your aspect ratio. Landscape works well for widescreen playback, square is versatile, and vertical is great for phone-first platforms. Match the ratio to your final destination so framing looks intentional, keeping the iris centered and the eyelashes soft at the edges. When you're happy with the setup, click Submit or simply press Enter. Let Grok process the request, then review the result. If you want a slightly different mood, adjust wording like lighting, color, or intensity, and submit again to refine the look. That's it, your beautiful eye zoom is ready.